Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the video on my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the one and only Mana. Guys, listen, bro. I had this coin before, you know what I'm saying, during the hype, this and that. It was an amazing run. But look, I'm going to be very honest and blunt. This coin is struggling, okay? This coin is struggling. If we compare it to other coins, I mean, something like Render, right? Back in January, pretty much was like $3, three something, and now it's currently like at 10, 10.50. And Mana's pretty much in the same spot it was a couple months ago. Sure, it had some kind of rally, but now it's gone down. Become a sniper. Learn to make money in the foreign exchange markets and the crypto world. Remember, those that learn will earn, and the future is always green when you know what you're doing. Link in the description, but I'll still do a very quick breakdown. Listen, if you're holding Mana, there's still hope for you, okay? Listen to me. There's still hope, but right now, Metaverse and those types of coins are not in the spotlight. Not only that, Mana, it's a little bit of a sleeper, okay? It's sleeping right now. That doesn't mean it's completely out and dead, but it is definitely sleeping, and it's definitely not going to be one of the coins that gets you the most gains, okay? At least probably not in the next couple months. Now, a lot can still change, of course. All it takes is just certain news for it to like flip the switch. But as of right now, it is a little bit sleepy. So I'm gonna break it down for you guys. Okay, we have over here, right? Nice support. This is the lowest it ever was, right? Multiple weeks down here, boom, start to shoot up. Then it started to create this as a support. It started to shoot up. It bounced off this resistance right here. This top blue bar, rejected, boom, it went down. Granted, it also got rejected because Bitcoin started to go down and Bitcoin's dominance started to go up, which were correlated to altcoins overall getting weaker. Okay. Now, I will say if this Mana coin starts trading below pretty much 40 cents and starts closing on the weekly there, I'll be really scared for you guys. I'm very honest. Okay. I currently do not hold Mana, but I don't think it's the end of the world if you do, especially if you bought down here, or even like here. I still think you can make your money, and I still think it's gonna have a decent run. Okay, it's like I said, it's not gonna be the most craziest thing, but it's gonna have a decent run. It's currently at 850 million market cap, so almost a billion, which is obviously always respectable. So what is the next big thing for Mana in terms of technical analysis? Well, guys, let me tell you, pretty much if we go here, the next step is getting past this 82 cent mark. This spot is absolutely crucial. Once we get past and respect it, there's so much imbalance here that honestly Mana could fly very quickly back to $2. Now, it's not going to be like within a week, but pretty much this is like the big accumulation area. That's what I would call this for Mana. And once it would break out from 82 cents, sure has some resistance around $1.10, but it's not the biggest deal in the world, right? It really isn't. So like literally look perfect. Boom, bang, boom. Here, not that much resistance up until, like I said, we get to $2, $2.20. And then we will decide where, Mana is going to be. In terms of certain types of candles, I mean, you could be looking at the 3-month candle, right? Up here. So you could see Mana peak at $2.80. And let's see, right? There's also, I mean, this will also count as a weekly support. If we do smash through that, we could definitely see Mana going back to $6 and potentially even going a little bit higher than that. But as of right now, with the information and honestly the short-term bias of like it not performing so well, I don't have like very high hopes it's going to hit insane prices. Now, if I were to give a really good scenario for Mana and metaverse becomes more relevant and the gaming narrative is the number one and like all the money's getting pumped to the gaming narrative, I could definitely see Mana pretty much at one point potentially, like I said, taking its highs, and at that point maybe $10, which would be insane, but that is best case scenario for Mana. I don't think it will necessarily hit $10, but right now, that's easy to say, right? It's very easy to say because a lot of these metaverse coins are kind of sleeping right now. And some of the gaming coins are still also sleeping. Some of them are pumping, but a lot of them are just sleeping. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll talk to you next time.